Nonwoven. Perfect, start to finish. These non-woven, lint-free wipes are ideal for dusting and cleaning pre-polish and removing tacky gel polish residue after. Easy, convenient and sanitary, they bring quality and ease to any manicure service. Versatile, economical. Absorbent, strong and very soft, wipes can be used on any type of polish and with any remover. The 200 pack of wipes will perfect many manicures, making them not just ideal, but economical too. Shine on. When used to prep the nail and perfect the finish of a manicure, these wipes enable you to achieve the perfect shine every time without dulling or scratching the surface. Perfect for salon or home. Our professional-grade, lint-free sanitary disposable cloth wipes are a perfect pedi arts tool both for professional salons as well as for home use. Nailtech's Choice Gel Nail Wipes are economical and sanitary way to remove tacky gel residue lint-free without scratching or dulling the nail surface. Top reviews from the United States. They're fine. I like the lint-free wipes without the holes best, but these are comparable. I'm sure others may like these better. It's a matter of personal preference.